that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Scotto, and I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, please consider to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, thank you for all our new subbies, and thank you for watching this video and watching all my previous videos. I do greatly appreciate it. So for today's video, and we are starting to lose our words, Maria. So today's video is going to be a very rare Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I am super excited for this unboxing. I have been waiting, and I was so ecstatic when my essay texted me and saying that she had this bag available, and I was just like, yes. And you guys know, if you watch my previous video, I've been on like a really bad bag binge, so yeah. But if you want to see what I got in this rare piece, then just keep on watching. So I know I have been gone, and I know it may look bad, but it was not my intention. My laptop was not working with me. I have no idea what was going on. Took it to Best Buy, took it to the Apple store near me, and no resolution. So one day I just played with it a little longer, and I figured it out because I wasn't able to upload my video from iMovie. I use iMovie to upload and edit all my videos, so it was not working for me. Long story short, we're here today, and hopefully iMovie will work with me from now on, but I'm very sorry about that. I hope you guys had a great holiday and a very happy new year. If you guys celebrate New Year's or any other holiday you celebrate, I hope you had a great one. But yeah, let's just get right onto this unboxing because I'm super excited. And by the way, I have bangs now, so they might look a little off. I'm trying to still like play with them a little bit, try to make them work with my face. I haven't had bangs since I was literally like 4 years old. So having these bangs is a big change, you know, new year, big changes, trying to improve myself and whatnot. We're not going to get into that in this video, but yeah, I have bangs now, so don't mind if they're a little, you know, crazy. But let's get on with Louis Vuitton because that's why you guys clicked on this video, right? Here is the box. I just, like, every time I do an unboxing, it's like the first time I unboxed it. I get that excitement, that what's the word I'm looking for? That rush. Is that the word? I have no idea. Okay, so here is the Louis Vuitton box, and I got this before the holidays, and I have been using it, and oh my goodness, I love using this bag. It is so, oh my goodness, I cannot. So here's the box, and it is the classic magnetic closure. So I'm gonna open her up. Okay, and before we get into the bag, I'm gonna go through the receipt. All right, so what comes in the box, this is my receipt. This is the receipt, and I don't think I'm gonna show you or tell you the price as of yet because I haven't showed you the bag, but this is, you know, the classic little thing they put in here, that the coated fabric cowhide leather trim, you know, nothing too exciting. And then this is just the, I want to say, the care booklet, you know, and all the different languages. So that is that. The exciting part, I don't think you can guess what this is. Like, how can you guess from that? Okay, if you want to try, pause the video and guess in the comments more than you can. I'm losing my words. Okay, I'm so nervous, that's why. Okay, so taking her out, here she is. Oh my goodness. So here's, I'm trying to get the whole dust bag in here. So here is the dust bag. Are we ready? Are we ready? Dun da da da. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag and the classic Louis Vuitton print. They have so many styles of this bag, but you know, I just had to stick with the classic. I love the canvas. I do love like the wave collection Bumbag. I do love it, but this, I just love it. So like classic and very, very hard to find. I went into Louis Vuitton every time that I did ask for this bag, always sold out. Called a bunch of times to other places near me, always sold out. So I was so happy when my essay was like, I actually have the bag, it just came in, do you want it? And I'm like, yes, I want it. What kind of question is that? But yes, this is the bag, and I will like explain everything it has. Okay, so here is one piece of canvas. It's like the handle to the bag, and let me tell you, this handle is such great use. You can hold the bag in so many different ways. It is so versatile, and you know how I love versatile bags. So there's quite a few ways you can wear this bag that I will show you. But first, this is the vachetta, a part of the bag. Then there's some vachetta for the tag. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Let's see. There we go. So that it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And then the strap of the bag is just the vachetta. So it is starting to get its color, and I love when that starts happening on the bags. But okay, so to open this, what I usually do is, let me try to, so I usually have to flip this over like so, because the zipper is like hid away. And this is the opening of the bag, and the zippers are super chunky. I just love the way the zippers are chunky like that. If you can see it. Focus? I don't think it's gonna focus. But yeah, those are the zippers, and you open it like this, and it's just one big compartment. So mine was made in France. I don't know if that's gonna get on camera because of the ring light, but that's where it's made from. And it's just this one big compartment, and when you look at the bag, it's very deceiving because you're like, what can you actually fit in here? But to like a surprise is that you can actually fit a lot in here, and I will love to do a what's in my bag video if you guys are interested in that, so let me know. But yeah, it's just one big compartment, and then on the back of the bag it has this deep zipper pocket, and I love this pocket so much because it is so deep and it's like big. So what I usually do is like I will stick like receipts in here, or my phone, most of the time my phone, because I don't want it inside of the bag, because I'm the kind of person that likes to take all my SLGs with me. I just like stuffing it with SLGs, my pochette, my key ring, my key pouch, my sunglasses, all that stuff I like to keep in there. So I just think this zipper pocket is such a handy compartment for this bag. You can even stick like your card holder if you want it to like easy access, or like, I don't think you could fit a full-size wallet. Maybe you can, not a full size, but like a zippy coin purse from Louis Vuitton, or any kind of coin purse, you could fit in here. But yeah, I just usually stick my phone in here. Let me show you more details of the strap. Like I said, it is one piece of vachetta, I'm losing my words, and this is so great because it has so many holes that you can make it shorter, you can make it longer depending on your height, and it is a pretty decent size strap, which is awesome. But like I said, you can wear this bag in many different ways, and I will do a video on that, on like a review of this bag and what's in my bag. So if you're interested in that, please hit that like button, or let me know in the comments down below. I love this bag. I've been using it. Oh, and also I forgot to show you, but this little cool ring on the bottom of the bag, I usually like stick my keys down here. You can stick anything in here. I've seen people like put like a little bandeau or a little like scarf in here and make it like cute and all, but yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Well, that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so obsessed with my new bag, and if you have any questions about it or any comments, please let me know down in the comments. I would be more than happy to answer your questions. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.